In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Chase Bank to PayPal. To get started, open PayPal and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Wallet section. This is where PayPal stores and manages your connected payment methods, including cards and bank accounts. Go ahead and open Wallet so you can begin the linking process. Inside the Wallet area, find the option that says Link a Bank. Tap or click on that to continue. This is the section PayPal uses when you want to connect a bank account directly, which can make it easier to move money, add funds, or make payments through your PayPal account. After that, you'll be asked to choose or search for your bank. In this case, search for Chase Bank. Once Chase appears in the list, select it to move forward. PayPal may then guide you through the connection process by asking for your bank account details or by letting you sign in through your online banking connection, depending on what options are available in your region and on your device. At this stage, carefully enter the required account information if prompted and make sure everything is accurate before continuing. It's always a good idea to double-check the details you enter because even a small mistake can delay the linking process or cause the connection to fail. If PayPal asks you to confirm access or review permissions, read through the information and approve it only if everything looks correct. Once you complete those prompts, PayPal will process the request and link your Chase Bank account to your profile. After the connection is successful, the bank should appear in your wallet, which confirms that the setup is complete. From there, you'll be able to use that bank account with your PayPal account for supported transfers and payments. And that's it. The process is pretty quick once you know where to go. Open Wallet, choose Link a Bank, search for Chase Bank, enter the requested details, and finish the setup. If the bank doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh the page or app. With that done, your Chase Bank account should now be connected to PayPal.